Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, south central Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles northwest of Fallis, moving northeast at 15 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected: people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cushing, Perkins, Kearney, Tryon, Ripley, Agra, Meridian, Fallis, Avery, Parkland, and Ingalls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect.